Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up multiple charts on TradingView. To begin, locate the Select Layout icon, which looks like a square grid, usually found in the top toolbar. Clicking this icon reveals various chart layout options, allowing you to choose how many charts you want to display simultaneously. This feature is essential for comprehensive market analysis. Once you've selected a layout, you can customize it further. Use the linking options to synchronize your charts. For example, link them by symbol to see the same asset on different timeframes. You can also link crosshairs for precise comparison. Remember to save your preferred layouts so you can easily load them again in the future. To populate your chosen layout, simply click on an empty chart pane and enter the desired symbol. You can set a unique timeframe for each chart, allowing for diverse analysis. Feel free to resize and rearrange the charts within your layout by dragging their borders, creating a workspace that perfectly suits your trading style and preferences. For advanced analysis, consider applying different indicators to each chart or view the same asset across multiple timeframes. This allows for a deeper understanding of market dynamics. Utilizing multiple charts helps you compare various assets or strategies efficiently, ultimately enhancing your decision-making process with a more comprehensive and integrated market perspective.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.